In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from USA to India through Wise. We'll walk through adding someone in India as a recipient in Wise and an easy alternative that skips typing bank details. By the end, you'll be ready to send with confidence. Start on your Wise homepage. On the left side, look for the recipient section. This is where Wise keeps the people and accounts you send money to, so you don't have to re-enter details every time. Open it, then choose Add Recipient. Wise will ask for the recipient's currency. Since the money is going to India, pick Indian rupees. Choosing the correct currency ensures the transfer goes to the right kind of account and avoids delays. Next, you can enter their bank details. Fill these in exactly as they appear on their bank records. In India, that usually means the account holder's full name, their account number, and the bank's IFSC code. Take a moment to double-check every character. Small typos can cause transfers to bounce back or sit in review. If the person you're paying isn't sure of their details, ask them to confirm directly from their banking app or a recent statement before you proceed. If both of you have Wise, there's an even simpler option. Use Wise handles. A handle is a unique tag that looks like an @ username, making it easy to share recipient details without exposing bank information. To find yours, click your name in the top right corner of Wise. You'll see your Wise tag with the @ symbol. Click it to open your handle page. From here, copy the link to your handle. Share that link privately with the person you're paying, or ask them to send you theirs, so you can add each other as recipients in a couple of taps. It's fast, reduces errors, and keeps sensitive bank numbers out of messages. A few quick tips before you wrap up. Always confirm you've selected the right currency, INR for Indian rupees, so Wise calculates fees and delivery times correctly. Keep recipient details saved, so future transfers are just a few clicks. And share your handle link only with people you trust. Don't post it publicly. That's all. With your recipient added, either by entering bank details or by using Wise handles, you're set to send money from the USA to India whenever you're ready. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, feel free to replay any part while you follow along in your Wise account.